Here are a few tips for those unboxing their new Nikon Z8 cameras. First, set your clock. No one likes to browse from cameras with odd times. Second, make sure the Z8 is set to only shoot when there's a card inside. Next, make sure your picture control is set to anything other than auto. Colours tend to be a bit unpredictable in that colour space. I use standard. In the photo shooting menu, set your files to your initials and then a digit to not only identify the files as yours, but which camera they came from. As a press photographer, I then set it to continuous focus using the back button in manual mode with a burst rate of 12 frames a second. My image options are high efficiency star RAW and JPEG normal star in medium image size.
And you know when I'm down to just my socks what time it is. It's business time.